Copy. Yeah, I found what I was looking for. Okay, please. Okay it. Okay it. And then part of this evidence. Okay, I think it's evidence 4. We can reduce the size as well. Okay. Okay. What do we have here? So let's go back again. Okay. So we're also taking all right, sorry, my little boy is around, it's distracting me. Sorry about that. So we're not done with the evidence here. We also need to take the evidence of so this is modify, yeah. Okay, so we took the evidence of the paragraph, and then we need to take the evidence of this window as well. Okay, so why did I choose to use the rectangle, the window style, so that it needs a for me? Okay, but now you see I'm now doing this double. I'm now doing this twice instead of doing it once like I did it previously. Okay, remember okay, and then go to evidence use document, and you still have to paste it there. Oh, you've heard his voice, huh? Yeah, that's how I cry as well. All right, so we're done with that. So moving forward. Okay, we're done with the evidence, right? Okay, we're done with this evidence 3. Now display these custom style names as a list in the style manager or organizer. Provide screenshots or evidence of this list. So we're doing this provided. So this is what they want to see. They want to see this or this. Usually I give them both. Okay, so usually I would advise you drop both of them here. All right, so that they can advise making chooses whatever he wants. Okay, where are you? Disappeared. All right, all right. So I think at this point I need to change this to the rectangle shape. Okay, sorry. Okay, I think okay. All right. So we're in business now. I've changed it. It's not appearing. Aha. Okay, so I'm taking the two of them and dropping them there. So I copy, then I come into the evidence. I paste it there. Okay, evidence 4. Done. I just reduce a little bit. So it doesn't look too big. Excuse me. All right, where are we? Okay. Place this custom style. We've done that already. Place this evidence. Screenshot. We've done that already. Below the title, add the subtitle. Report by who, and then you add your name. Report by after the subtitle. So please, thank you. After the title, right? After the title. So I'm going to come here, press enter. I'll go up a bit and I'll paste it, and I'll then add my name. Okay, I'll add my name. Okay. Please remember, your name here has to be your full name, the same way it is written in your registration. Okay, during your registration, very important, please. All right, apply the DB subtitle style to this text. So DB subtitle to style, where you. So I'm going to do this. Then I'll go to subtitle, sub T. That it is. Okay. Okay. I'm going to click that. All right. What else? Scroll down a bit. Apply the DB body style to the rest of the document. Okay, so you select the rest of the document. We are almost there. The rest of the document, there you are. Okay, up to the instrument, the rest of the document, and we apply the DB body style. Okay, we've done that. Yes, we have DB body style. All right, so go back to question. Where are we? Where are we? Apply the subtitle text. Don't worry. My wife is attending to him. All right. Apply the body style. Okay, we've done that. Change the page layout so that the subheading history of digital books and all following text is displayed in two columns of equal width with a 1 centimeter space between the columns. Okay. Okay, I was reading that, but I don't think I was listening to myself. Change the page layout so that the subheading history of digital books and all following text is displayed in two columns. Okay, two columns of equal width with 1 centimeter space between the columns. Okay, so we look for history of digital books. So it's a subheading. Okay, okay, there it is. History of digital books. All right. So uh, change the heading and all. Okay, so from there down to the end should be in two columns. Okay, so from here down to the end should be in two columns, in two columns, in two columns, in two columns. I'm going to delete this so I can have only that. Yes, I don't want to run into extra pages, extra empty pages. Okay, sorry. So this is what we're doing. So please, sorry, I was thinking about something else. Okay, so go to layout, you go to column, you go to more columns. Okay, they say two columns, and then spacing should be 1 cm. So you reduce with this to 1 cm. Any other thing? Equal spacing as well. Equal spacing. Okay. Any other thing? Let's confirm this. That will be all. Okay. All right. And then you do okay. Okay. So you're supposed to have that work looking that way. Okay. Moving forward. Where are we? Apply square shape bullet to the list from dedicated e-readers to including the notepad. Okay, should be square shaped bullet style. Okay, so let's look for them. Dedicated e-readers. Okay, there we are. Dedicated e-reader to the notepad. All right. Okay, that should be home. Yeah, home bullet style. So we'll do block a square bullets. Okay. All right. That's done. Okay. Make sure that the bullets are indented 1 centimeter from the left margin. 1 centimeter from the left margin. So let's go back. Indented 1 centimeter from the left margin. Where are we going to get that again? Try to remember. Indented 1 centimeter from the left margin. Okay, this is the left margin. Aha, good. So we indent 1 centimeter. 1 cm. Okay, 1 cm from the left margin. Okay, indentation. Okay. Excuse me. All right, so we'll click on OK. All right. What else? Okay. No space before. Okay. Let's imagine. No single line spacing, no space before and after each line. There is a 6-point space after the last item in the list. No space before. Sorry if you hear my son's voice. He woke up this morning and he's all active. He's singing. All right. All right. I hope it's not going to confuse my brain here now. Okay. So no space. Okay. His noise is actually affecting me here. Okay. What do we have? The bullets are indented. Okay, we've done that. The list is in single line space. I think I checked that earlier. single line space, single line, see, single line space. All right. What else? There is a 6 point space after the last item in the list. 6 point space after the last item on the list. So I would come here and press enter, then I will delete that, and then I will go to six line space. Hold on. There is a 6 point space, not 6 point. Okay, so I'll come here and then I'll choose not 6 there, so I'll type it. So this is what they mean. Okay, moving forward, identify the 7 subheadings in document and apply the DB subhead styles to each one. Okay, so you identify and apply the DB style to each one. Okay, so where are we? So the subheads, they say there are 7 of them. Okay, subheads, there are 7 of them. So I'll just click on this, select that. Okay, I'll hold my control key down, select the next one, control, move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward, select the next one, control down, so that I can apply the styles at once. 7 of them, so we've done 3. Okay, remaining 4. Okay, this is 4, remaining 3. Okay, this is 5, remaining 2. Okay, this is 6, remaining 1. Okay, this is the last one, 7. Okay, we should apply the subhead, right? Subhead. Excuse me, it's terrible weather here in Nigeria. Okay, where are we? Okay, so we've done that already. Okay, imagine all of that for 1 mark. All right, so open the file reader.csv, okay, and insert the content as a table after the text. Okay, so first of all, let's get to our reader, where are you? Okay, it's a .csv file, so you need a spreadsheet document to open it up. Okay, so I'm going to look for my Excel quickly. All right, Excel, are you up? Okay, coming up. All right, so Excel is up. All right, so where is it? Reader CSV. Okay, so I think we're in business now. Okay, so close this. All right. So I like to click on the select all button and expand all the tables, so I get to see the data and see what they look like. All right, so let's minimize this as well and go back to the question. Okay, open this file and insert the content as a table after the text. Devices over the years. Okay, so you look for devices over the years. Find devices over the years. Okay, there you are. All right, so I'm supposed to put this after it. Okay, close that. All right, so let's go back. Where are you? Here you are. All right, so I like to put the borders around it, so I get to see whatever is happening to it when I make the changes. So I'll just copy it. Okay, so we're told to put it as a text after this, so I'm going to paste it here. It should appear. Yep, it has appeared. All right, so what next? Delete the entire row and contents from Maxi Reader. Okay, Maxi Reader. There you go. So I'll select the entire and I'll hit the backspace button, and then delete entire row, and then I'll say okay. All right, there we are. Okay, there we are. All right, what's next? Okay, I think my boy is creeping out to me. Okay, it's working. He passed me. So let's pretend I'm not here. All right, delete the entire row and contents for that. We've done that already. Sort the table in the table. Sort the data in the table into ascending order of year. Sort the data in table into ascending order of year. So we select from here to there, and then I think somebody's at door and they're going to get it done quickly. All right, I'm back. Where are we? Okay, distractions here and there, sorry about that. Delete the entire row, we've done that. Sort the table. Okay, so we need to sort now. Begin order of year, ascending order, right? Ascending order of year. Okay, so okay, go to home. Sorry, I think there it is. Sort column 4, that's the last column. Ascending order, and then you can click OK. So that's what you have. All right, scroll down a bit. Sort the table. Okay, we've done that. Insert a new row in the correct position according to the sort order. Enter the following. Hey, baby, you left him outside. Oh, sorry. All right. Insert a new row in the correct position according to the sort order. Okay, enter the following details. Okay, so we're entering all of this in by 2007. Okay, so come back here. This is 2006, so we need a new row under. So I'll right click and then I'll do insert and insert row below. Insert row below. Okay, so I'll just drop all of that there. All right. Okay, I wanted to, I think it didn't go too well, so I'll take it out. Okay. All right. Okay, so let me just Ctrl Z. Okay. All right. So Tawara Phablet, Tawara Phablet, Tawara. Sorry, Tawara Phablet, Phablet. Okay. What else? Tawara Phablets, Digital Tawara 2007, Digital Tawara 2007. All right, so there we are. What next do we have? Okay, so apply the DB table style to the table. Apply the DB table style to the table. So I'll quickly pick the table style. This video is taking quite long, longer than I expected. So DB table style to the table. So where is the table style? Table style. This is table style. Okay, there it is. Okay, I've applied that. What's next? Make sure that no text is wrapped within the table. All internal. Okay, so let's quickly check that one by one. No text is wrapped. Okay, there's some wrapped text. So we click on this area, double click quickly. It will expand all of the text. Okay, here too. Is any text wrapped? Yes. So double click quickly. Okay, first it has expanded it. All right. All internal and external grid lines are displayed when printed. They are displayed. I think we did that before we imported that very table. Now the borders and all data fit within the column. Okay, I think we've also checked that within the column. Have we checked that? No, we've not. Within the column, within the column, not going beyond the column. All right. There is a 6-point space after the table. So you go to the table, after the table here to the 6-point space. So you change that to type 6, press enter. That's a 6-point space. All right, that's that. Let's hurry up, please. This video is taking longer than I expected. Format the first row of the table to be bold and center aligned over the 3 columns. Bold and center aligned over the 3 columns. So you need to merge these columns. you need to merge them quickly. You say merge cells, merge cells. Okay, bold and center align, bold, center align, center align over the three columns. Okay, any other thing? Bold, center align over the three columns, shaded with a light gray background, shaded with a light gray background of 20. Okay, so you select this and then you go to the background shades between 20 and 40. So this will be okay. This will be okay. Sorry, my voice. Sorry. All right, I'm back. Where are we now? Okay, we've added the shade, right? Added the shade. Okay. All right. Import the image. That and place this below the subheading, the the future. Sorry. So let's look for the future first. Where is the future? Search for the future. Okay. So place it under it. Okay. All right. Oh Jesus. Baby, carry him now. Oh, sorry. All right. Sorry about that. Okay. So that's where we're going to put the image. Okay. So where's the image? What's the name? Okay. That is. Okay. So we're going to copy it. Paste it there. Okay. All right. We may need to do some processing, some work on it. Reflect the image so the e-reader is on the right. That is looks like this. It must look like this. Okay, it's like reflecting it transverse. What's the word again? Okay, let me just do it, please. Let's forget about the word. Okay, I think it's here. Format. Yeah, there. Okay, so we're going to rotate it. We're going to flip it vertically. No, vertically won't work. Horizontally will work. Okay, so we'll flip it horizontally. All right. So format the image so that it is resized to a width of 3 meters with the aspect ratio maintained. 3 meters with aspect ratio maintained. Okay, 3 meters with aspect ratio maintained. So we'll click on it. Okay, size and position. Okay. Is it the width or the height? Sorry. Okay, of the width actually. Width 3 cm. Oh, okay. 3 cm with aspect ratio maintained. What a waste of time. 3 cm with aspect ratio maintained. Okay. So aspect ratio, lock aspect ratio, and then click on OK. So that's the new size now. All right, let's go back to the work. It is aligned to the left. Okay, it is aligned to the left margin of the second column and the top of the paragraph starting many consumers have embraced. The text wraps around the image. Okay. Excuse me. All right, so here we're going to go to position and okay, no, wrap text. Sorry, I like to use tight fits me better, and then let it begin from the top here. So click on it, hold it, and drag it down to this point. All right, so that's it. What else? They say spell check and proofread the document. So let's quickly do that. Let's go through that quickly. So you look at for what is that shortcut for proofread? Proofread. I can't remember. So let me just go through it. Okay, this is result. What is wrong with this one? I just right click. As a result, okay, so there's a comma there that is missing. As a result, okay, comma there missing. Okay, go down again. Look at the spellings. I think they are not really English words per se, the way they are coined, so we don't have to bother ourselves with that. Go again, and however, I think that's a comma missing there. However, again, there's a comma missing there. Nook, I don't think it's an English word. That's something. So move forward. Tawara, Scholarex, not problem. All right. However, again, 6 inches. Okay. So please take note of that. So that is the proofreading. We're through with that. All others are not really English words, so we will let them fly. All right. That's that. However, there is a shortcut for proofread. I can't seem to remember it now, but maybe later on we'll talk about it. Okay, spell check and proofread the document. Make sure that lists and tables are not split over columns or pages. Make sure lists or tables are not split over columns. Okay, so let's look at splitting of tables, splitting of tables, okay, and of lists. Okay, our list is within one column, table within one column. All right. Next. There are no widows or orphans. Okay, widows are like paragraphs that begin on their own. Widows and orphans maybe at the first line or the last line. Okay, so it doesn't look like we have that here. First line and then the last line, we don't have that here. All right, so we're good to go. There are no blank pages. Of course, we didn't see any blank page there. The house style specification has been followed and the correct style applied as instructed. We've done that. Spacing is consistent between all items. We've done that as well. Save the document using the same file name and format used in step 1. File name and format used in step 1. So let's go back to step 1 quickly and see that step 1. Okay, okay, we're good. So let's come up a bit quickly. All right, make sure your name is appearing on your report and then you print. Okay, so I think we're done. Okay, we're not done yet. Many bookstores sell books online through the internet. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages to customers of buying books through internet shopping. Advantages and disadvantages of customers buying books through internet shopping. All right. Okay. So when you put that in evidence 5, how many marks? 4 marks. Okay, 4 marks. Okay, so at least you should have at least 2 advantages and 2 disadvantages. You should at least have 2 advantages and 2 disadvantages. All right, of online booking online. Okay, all right. So let's quickly look at this. Many bookstores sell books online through the internet. Discuss the advantages. Okay, so advantages would be that you can shop at any time. Evidence 5. So evidence 5. So we can just add our advantages. Okay, 1. Customers can shop at any time. Customers can shop at any time. 2. Customers can shop from any location. Customers have a wide variety of books to shop. All right, so as long as you have, I think since there are 4 marks there, as long as you have two of that, that will be okay. I'm trying to reduce the size of this video. I think I'm taking too long in preparing this. Sorry, too many distractions today. Okay, Okay, disadvantage. Uh, Hackers can intercept customers' bank details and subsequently defraud the customer. Another problem with buying books online is that you don't have a physical copy. Customers don't get to have a physical copy of the book. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Maybe expensive, yeah. Maybe expensive. Returning the books if you don't like it. So to be expensive, returning the books. You can add as many as you would want to. All right, all right, all right. I need to move forward, please. Okay, so I think that will be all. Okay, so at least for 4 marks, you need at least two disadvantages, two advantages, and possibly a mark for reasoned conclusion. Okay, reasoned conclusion like hackers can intercept customers' bank account details and subsequently, so that is a reasoned conclusion. Okay, customers don't get to have a copy of the book. Okay, because they may be downloaded, so we can add that because they may be soft copy downloads, soft copies. Soft copy books, soft copy book, soft copy books. All right. Okay, so that's like a recent conclusion. All right. Okay, moving forward. All right, so this will be the end of it for today. For now, subsequently, we will work on task 3. Okay, I'm sorry that the video took too long to make. I didn't expect to stay that long, but I had some distractions, but that's okay. You can work on your timing and your speed. Very important. All right, thank you all very much. Please subscribe to our video, okay, to our page, and like us. Thank you very much. Yeah.